Celebrity megastar and viral sensation. Celebrity Christopher and Angelic. Celebrity Penelope Fountain. Going around the globe and every nation. Take a look outside. Tell me what you see. I want you to take a really good look, because I'm out here in Wichita, Kansas on Broadway, and there's homeless people on every corner, every side of the store, panhandling. This bum right here is walking away now, and there's a crackhead bitch over here on the corner. But you know what? They asked me for my money to eat with, and I gave their food to the birds. Okay? It's unbelievably funny. I just gave food to the birds. I just gave food to the birds, okay? And they scattered because the sheriff pulled up. And they are panhandling and everything and asking people for money and food and everything else. And all they have to do is go to the Lord's Diner, where they go anyways, and get free food. So I'm not buying into their bullshit. Instead, I gave the crust and pieces of my grilled cheese to the birds outside, and they're happily eating. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The birds are eating the food I gave to them. Wow. I'm very happy for them. As for homeless people in Wichita, Kansas, I don't give any money to them. Thank you for watching this spectacular, monumental video. Do not feed the homeless in Wichita, Kansas. Do not. I won't. So I don't want you to neither. Thank you for watching. I showed this one bum my gold and my platinum. I'm not playing games. This is platinum, baby. I'm walking around with an astronomical amount of money on my neck. I have the rest in the bank. I'm not playing games out here. Thank you.